So one of the reasons that people fail their driving test is the inadequate steering and not effectively steering the car. So as a driving instructor, I've come across many learners who struggle to steer. So even though you can actually cross hand these days on a driving test, but I still recommend use the push-pull method. So the best way to learn how to use the push-pull method is you're pushing with one hand and you pull down with another. Then if you're pushing with this one hand, then you pull down with another hand. So you need to be practicing this with your driving instructor if you are struggling with your steering. So I'll give you a quick demonstration how the push-pull method works. So pushing with one hand, pull down with another. Pushing with one, pulling down with another. Now again, pushing with the left, pulling down with the right. Pushing with the left, pulling down with the right. So you can practice this with your driving instructor on your lesson if you are struggling with your steering.